nasty sort of weed because it's so incredibly tolerant of exposure that it's very difficult to get rid of, and it'll grow sometimes where some of our little treasure native plants that are adapted to those same sort of places grow as well. So really important to keep it under control. That requires removal of the whole plant, roots and all, and burn it.
And here we see some pigs there in the boot of the Regional Biodiversity Coordinator's car, showing that we're always vigilant.
Yeah, there's the flower of it. Pretty little thing. You can see why a few people chose to grow it initially. It's probably a very good doer in a few gardens, but unfortunately it doesn't stop at garden borders.
So if someone finds this in their garden, well, outside in a sort of biodiversity area, Miles, what should they do?
I would say the quicker you can get rid of it, the better. Pick the flowers off at least to make sure it doesn't seed, and if you possibly can, get the whole plant, get it up with roots and all, put it in a big plastic bag, take it back home, and put it on a good bonfire and burn it.
However, if it's in your folks' garden, you might want to ask first, or maybe suggest native alternatives. What would be a indigenous native alternative to the pigs there, Miles?
Well, the little sun hebes, Heliohebe, Hebe helpiana, maybe Raurii or McCaskillii would do well on that sort of site. Not as big, as bold, but certainly they're very adapted to those sorts of sites. One of the big things with them, important things with controlling this is never just pull it out and leave it on the ground, because these things will just grow again. Because they're succulent, they're very good at retaining moisture, and it just won't kill them. So you've got to take them home and destroy them.
So there you go, one of the demons for biodiversity here in Canterbury, the pigs there. And today we're just in the Waipara Valley, just looking at some of the biodiversity in this area. It's a beautiful day in March on a nor'wester. Back to you with some more video stories soon. Thank you.